Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name and VPS hosting and connect together and install SSL certificate, the complete setup in a video. So this is my YouTube channel, please subscribe on it. So first I will purchase the domain, that's why I will go to Hostinger and then I will paste the domain name here. So for that I'll copy my domain name, this is my domain, and then I'll paste it here and then search. I'll give the link in the description and then I'll just click on make it yours. And I'll select continue with domain only. And then I'll select for 1 year. Okay. And then click on continue. Then I will pay through the card payment. You can use PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay and CoinGate also for crypto payment. And then click on submit payment. Okay, congrats, your journey begins now. So I have successfully purchased the domain name from Hostinger. So I will give the link of Hostinger in below and you can purchase your domain name. Then I will fill up the details. And then I will click on register. And the domain is officially yours. Okay, so I have successfully purchased. Just click on continue and skip. Okay, so you can see the domain overview here. Now I'm going to show you how to buy Contabo VPS hosting step by step. So this is my YouTube channel, please subscribe on it. So first click on the description link and then you will be here in the official website of Contabo. Then go to VPS and then click on core VPS. And then here you will see there are different type of plans. If you want to check out, you can check out the features and other details of the VPS hosting. Contabo is one of the best VPS hosting service right now. So choose your plan. So I will choose my plan. So I'll purchase this plan. And if you want to see the pricing in USD, you can choose the currency as US dollar settings. Okay, so the starting plan is only $5.28 per month. And then click on get start. Then go down below, then select your term length. So I would recommend you to choose at least 12-month plan because it will give you 15% discount, and if you want to get maximum discount of 20%, you can select 24-month plan and keep other things as usual and select your operating system. So I will select the Ubuntu and go down below and enter your password here. So I will enter my password and then click on next and select I will protect data by myself, otherwise you can choose add auto backup. Okay, here enter your personal details. So I will enter my personal details and I'll enter my address and then click on next. Okay, so here choose your payment method. You can pay through PayPal or credit card. So I'll choose my payment method I will enter my payment method and then click on next. So now go down below and click on order and pay. Just cross it and you can see I have completed my order. Your payment order has been received and is currently being provisioned. It will take some time to review the order. So now I'll check my email and you can see I have received 2 emails from Contabo, and if I open the first you can see the order details, and if I go back and open the new, and here I can see my login details. So to log in Contabo dashboard, so I have to go to my.contabo.com. Here I will enter my email and the password and click on login, and you can see I have successfully logged in to the Contabo dashboard. And if I go to my your services, and you can see this is my VPS hosting. So this is how you can purchase your Contabo VPS hosting step by step. Now I can set up my VPS hosting with this domain. So for that I will go back to Contabo dashboard and then I will go to VPS control. Now I will connect with the domain name. So I'll just copy the IP address of the VPS from Contabo and then I'll go back to Hostinger domain name provider. So here I have to go to DNS name servers. So after coming here I'll go down below and I will clean up the records. So I will delete all the existing DNS records. Okay, so now this is clean. Now I will create a new record and then that will be a record, and here I will type the add icon and then I will paste the IP address here. Okay, and then click on add record. Okay, you can see the first record has been added. Now I have to add the second record. For that I will add a CNAME record. So the CNAME record, and then the name will be www and the target will be the domain name. So I'll just copy the domain name. I'll just copy the domain name and I'll paste it here and then add record. Okay, so you can see I have successfully added the 2 records. So this will point the domain to our VPS hosting. So now I will log in to the VPS server using putty. So I'll just copy it and I will install the software on my PC, that is putty, and then I will open it. So I already installed and I will open it now. So I'll just paste the IP address here and then click on open. And then I will log in. So log in using the username as root and the password. Okay, so you can see I have successfully logged in to my Contabo VPS server. So now if I visit the domain, you will see nothing now because we have installed nothing on our VPS server. So now I have to run some commands in the VPS. So to set up the server, so I will copy the first command. First I will update my server and then I will give the command in the description and then I'll just paste it here and then enter. So this will update the server. Okay, so the server is updated now. Now I'll run the second command to install the nginx. Okay, install and enable the nginx and paste it. Now I will visit the domain name again. So if I refresh it, Okay, let's wait. So if I visit the IP address, you can see, if I visit the IP address, you can see we have successfully installed Nginx on our server, and this is not SSL secured right now. Later we will install SSL, but before that our domain is not pointed yet to the VPS, so let's wait for that. And you can see the Nginx server has been installed on our domain name right now, and domain and IP address is connected together. You can see if I visit the IP address and then if I visit the domain, we can see the Nginx server. So now we can install the SSL certificate on the domain. You can see right now it is not secure, so now I will run a command to install the SSL certificate. So I'll just copy this command, and then I'll go back to putty again, and then I'll paste it and enter. Okay, now I will again run another command. So I will just copy and I'll go back to putty again, and then I'll paste it here, and then I have to change the domain name. So for that I will just enter the domain name before dash d and after dash d. So I'll just first enter the domain name, right, and then www version, www dot the domain name, and then I will hit enter, and you can see SSL certificate has been successfully installed on the domain. Now if I refresh the domain name, and you can see this is secure connection. If I click here, you can see the connection is secure. So we have successfully purchased the domain and VPS hosting and connect together and install SSL certificate. So now you can install WordPress or any other app in your VPS hosting. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. You will get WordPress install related videos in the playlist. Thank you.